Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am your host Tanisha with Tea Cooks with FLAVE. Today we're in the kitchen and we are going to be making some brown stew parrotfish. Stay tuned. Today we're back in the kitchen and we're going to be doing some brown stewed fish. The type of fish that I'm using today is the parrotfish, which happens to be my favorite. So I've already cleaned with lemon juice and I pat dried. Well, I'm still pat drying. Now remember, you must pat dry, try to get out all that moisture, all that water out of the fish. So you're going to open it inside out, make sure that you get out all that moisture, because if not, when it's time to fry, it will be popping up, okay? And you'll get burnt really bad. That has happened to me a few times, so I'm just pat drying. At the fish market, they already scaled my fish for me and like gutted it, so it's very clean. So again, I just clean with lemon juice and now we're pat drying. Now that that process is finished, I'm going to be using my little knife here just to make small slices across my fish, which is going to help the seasoning to seep through. So I do that on each side. They're just 2 cuts. Perfect. Done with that, and I'm gonna be going in with some salt. Okay. Remember, you're gonna salt on both sides and you evenly distribute. On all 3, I'm using a tablespoon, so that's for all 3 of my fishes, and I just evenly distribute it. All right, just rub it in. Now I have a ½ teaspoon of black pepper. I might not use all of this because that's gonna be a lot of black pepper, but that's what I have here. I'll judge it and see if I need to use all of it or not. Because you don't want to overpower your fish with too much black pepper. Then I go on the inside and I sprinkle just a tad bit. Yeah, I used it all. So ½ teaspoon. And then now I'm going to go in with my Maggi fish seasoning. Comes out heavy on the spoon, so sometimes I put it in my hand and then just kind of sprinkle it. And then you do that on both sides. And then you kind of just rub it in, get it all in. So my fish is perfectly seasoned. It's time for frying. I have my oil already preheated. I'm going to be using some vegetable oil today. And it's already preheated, so we're going to head on over to the stove where we're going to start the frying process. So I've drained off most of my oil, and I left back just a small amount because I need the flavor from the fish. So I just added some scallions, onion, thyme. I'm adding in, I just added my onion, sorry. My tomatoes, carrots, bell peppers, and my Scotch bonnet pepper. Just gonna saute this. And what I'll be doing right now, I'm making my gravy so I can go in and add my fish. Adding in a small piece of butter and a dash of Badia Complete Seasoning. We're gonna add some grape ketchup. Some fish and meat sauce. And a little water. We're gonna just saute this down. So let's add our fish. I'm just gonna cover it. And then once you do this process, I'm gonna be adding my the remainder of my fish. We're doing 3 fishes, so just cover it, make space for the other 2. Cover for 5 minutes, and there you go. Your fish is ready. Thank you guys once again for joining me with Tea Cooks with Flav, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.